Hello everyone. So a crazy day in the market. GEVO went from $4.50 to $10 per share. So it opened at it gapped up from $3.50, and then at the open it sold off. And unfortunately, in that sell-off, I thought that I saw a strong setup. I took it, and on two separate trades, I lost like $100 or $150 each or something like that. And I was disappointed. So I was about to end the day there, and then I stopped recording. I started actually to do this recap, and then I see it's starting to move again. A lot of the shorts were getting squeezed out, and a lot of the momentum buyers were coming in because we just saw a stock, XLRS, I believe, go up a couple dollars per share. So I think the momentum is back in the market. I only ended up trading GEVO today. I was, like I said, a little hesitant. I didn't want to come off of a big loss with another loser, but I ended up making up the entire loss. I was down $300 or something like that, and I finished the day up, 14.16 after GEVO. I was trading until like 11:30. I made like $2 or $3 per share over the course of a whole bunch of trades. It was absolutely mental. So I'm happy to see the momentum is back in the market, but honestly, I don't feel good about today. For the same reason that I felt bad about Friday, not because of the monetary value or the money, because of poor trading. So I wasn't trading very well to start the day, which is why I lost $300. And then I guess I was just lucky that the market gave me the momentum to make that money back and then finish up with a good amount of money. So I'm not gonna be too sad because I made some good money today, but I have to focus going into tomorrow that I don't take stupid setups because I might get lucky. GEVO was a sign of momentum, and I was in at good entries, and I was not chasing, I was following the momentum. But that's not going to happen every day. So let's see if this week brings a lot more momentum now that the shorts are scared and longs are more confident to buy into the market. So I'll talk about as much as I can. I stopped recording, so I can't show you the recording of the massive win, but I'm going to talk about it right now. Hey guys, so what on earth just happened? I'm trying to figure it out too. So I think the craziest thing about this is that I'm not happy with today. Like, oh, not happy, only made $1,000. Yeah, I get it, but to start the morning, it was crappy trading. This was the only stock that was on the scanners, and I was trying to do what these stocks typically do, was dip towards $5. I was buying around $5 and then selling as it comes back up, makes the first 1 minute candle to make a new high, which would have been right here. And then when that failed, because I bought preemptively, I had to sell back on the way down, and I was down like $300, 350 or something. Let's pull it up here. I'll just show you the trade. So I was just watching GEVO. I was explaining what I was going to do, which is what I just said that I was going to do, and then sell over 528, maybe towards 550. So this is what happens at the open. Right here's the open. So as it starts to come back up, or it dips first, and I'm saying, okay, I'll buy around $5. It's a great support, so I'm in. I'm in at $5. That was my plan. You can see my unrealized here is pretty good. But I'm holding for the move up past 528 towards 540, 550. So it was about to happen here. It was about to happen. My average is at $5. I got a great average. Great plan, like I said, but it just didn't work. Let's see here, and then it fails. So I let this support be bought back up at $5. Let me just okay, and then I end up selling for a loss. And then I buy the dip, buy the support one more time. I get an even better average this time. And it was just sloppy. Like, here, there's so many trades. I'll just show you right here. So, like you just saw in the video there, I don't want to make you wait through the whole minute. So I held it for a minute for it to actually make the 1 minute candle to make a new high. And then it didn't. And I sold the whole position here at 484, an average of 492. So I lost even more money. I was being stupid. So I didn't trade it. I was watching it. I just kept watching it because I was sure that this thing was going to do something. I thought it was going to make its move right here. By the way, I was done recording here because I thought I was done the day. Keep in mind, this is 10:30 pushing 11 o'clock, right? So I got back in again, realized that I was trying to just overtrade and make back the profits. So I was like, listen, that's it. I sold back out again. And then this happens. This happens. We go from 450 to 10 bucks. And I see this momentum. I was in before it happened. It started to happen. I sold out. I saw this increasing volume. It kept increasing. So I'm in. I'm in here, and then I'm just in. We break high of day. Well, let me turn this music down here. I don't want to get copyrighted on this video. Okay, so again, we break through high of day. I sell. We come back down. I buy the dip on the 9. Excuse me, sorry. Oh, no, sorry. I sell here, and I'm buying again. I just see the crazy momentum, so I want to capitalize on it. I'm holding longer than I would usually hold, and I miss this little push, and I buy back in. And I buy back in for this break of $7, and we push all the way up. I'm in for this halt. I sell right out of the halt, and then I buy again. I'm just like look at these trades. I couldn't even, please don't make me go through all of these trades. There's so many trades on it. My commission is $98, but I made $1,100. So I went from down, I can't remember what it was. I think $300 to up 1416. Like, that's nuts. That's so crazy. So I almost made up for this loss. Pretty much did make up for the loss. But I have to be really careful, because look at what happened here. I made up for a huge loss, and then I made it up. I had a huge loss. I made it up, and then that was just the start of something very bad. So going into tomorrow, I'm not going to have the confidence of, hey, I just got a get out of jail for free card on yesterday, or on Friday, sorry. I think I can finally show that loss again. I'm just going to trade as if none of this happened, but now we have momentum back into the market. This proves momentum is back into the market, so the choppy market that I did really well in here, hopefully I should do even better to finish the month. So I'm going to go back to 1,000 shares as a max position, maybe 15 or 1,200 depending on the price of the stock, but I'm no longer scared of the choppy market, at least. But I really have to pay attention to my entries and not make stupid trades. So with that, let's go into tomorrow. Today was friggin' crazy. I don't know. Nothing else to say. I can't complain, but I wish I felt better based on my trading at the start of the day. So with all of that said, we'll see you tomorrow. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for subscribing. What was I doing here? What is this? Oh, GEVO on StockTwits. People are going nuts about what happened. But anyways, on my dashboard, I'm already up 170 subs. I was at 140 on Friday. So thank you guys so much for the support.